Hello, you're welcome once again to my channel, Patriot Entrepreneurs. I want to show you an offer that you can use to keep yourself busy and make money from home. This is Fast2earn. Fast2earn is an online platform where you can buy shares like normal shares we have in Nigeria Stock Exchange and other stock exchange in the world. So this is an online digital shares where you can purchase and earn from dividend and also return on investment. So when you buy these shares, you can make money through more than 10 different ways. I will be showing you 10 ways you can make money from this platform. But the one of them, if you know about shares, is one, you can make profit from dividend that will be paid to you from this platform, and also return on investment, that appreciation, that is the price of the shares can appreciate to a certain point, and you'll be able to make money from it. So let's quickly dive into it. You go through this, there will be a link below this video. Click it and you contact me. I will put you through on how to make money from Fast2earn stock or shares platform. Okay, this is example of it. This one has appreciated from it has added $16.80. So this one also added $10. This one added $1.82. This one depreciated. This one depreciated. And so this one added $2.80. So you can make money from appreciation of these shares and dividend. Let me quickly show you how you can quickly see all the things where you can make money from this platform. I've shown you one, but let me quickly take you to the statistics or the transactions. Okay, so all these places. Now let me show you, when you sell your shares in this platform, you get commission sort of. So this is where you make appreciation. You bought $3 and you are selling beyond that, so you make profit from there. Now when this is dividend, let me show you dividends. Dividends is not the big size, but it comes in bits. So you make money from this platform by getting some bits, quantities of dollars. Of course, every payment here is made in dollars. They are made in dollars, so they are not made in local currency. So this is the dividend. This was paid yesterday, 9th April. So you see it, 2nd April. So these are dividends you receive. They are not much, but you get it weekly or daily depending on how the stock is performing. So you get this. This was on 2nd, this was on 26th, this was on 25th, this was on 23rd. So it comes randomly, either weekly or in a day, 2 days. That is dividend. You make money from dividend. So when you do your withdrawals, if you place withdrawals, if you have sold your stock, so you can make withdrawals. So this is my withdrawals. You see the withdrawal. This is the money you earn. Maybe you want to get your dividends, you make withdrawal, and this will be paid to your wallet. That is the income or the profit you have made from this platform. So you can withdraw it and pay to your Bitcoin wallet, Perfect Money, PayPal, and any other means. So this is commissions that come in, $1.48 and all this. So you can see all the commissions here. So these are different ways you make money from this platform. Let me still show you the biggest way you can make money from Fast2earn. So the biggest way is through referral. So when you refer people to this platform, now I have 12 active referrals. So when you refer people, Now every investment they make, of course you see it in your dashboard, you can see it here. Your referral is your extra income. For all investors that join the site through your referral URL, you will receive 51% based on their purchases. That is what you get from this investment. So as people are referring and they are making purchases, you get certain percentage of this investment coming to you. That's the biggest way you make money. So if you have active people that are investing through your link, you'll be making serious money from this platform. That is another way you make money from here. So but let me show you quickly down here other ways you can make money from this platform. You perform job. Now let me show you this. This is another way you make money from this platform. So you search on Google forum, copy this link, paste it in that forum, copy the link of that forum where you pasted this, and paste it here and submit it. That is a job. When you have done that, you earn 0.40 cents. There are jobs that you can perform, you earn $2, $1, 20 cents. It depends on the job. So each one you do will earn you money. So that is another way to earn money from this platform. Let me still show you more. So when you make fixed deposits, this is where you also make steady income, weekly income. Now this is another way you make money from this platform. If you have some free cash, you can deposit it like fixed deposits in the bank, and this is what you earn per annum. That is yearly if you leave it for 1 year. But if you are leaving it for one month, so you divide this by 12, that should give you your monthly fixed return on your capital. So you start with 10,000. That's the minimum you can start here. You can see the Bitcoin worth of this, and this immediately you put. Let me show you example. As soon as you put 0.003, so this is the difference. So this is what you receive. You put this and you get this extra 83 Bitcoin of it. So now this is what you get. This in 4 weeks. Each week you get a fraction of your return on investment and the capital, the profit and the capital in your Bitcoin while directly paid into your account. So that is another way you make money. So if you have some free money, you can fix it in this place, 1 month, 3 months, 1 year, and all that. So as you are willing to do that, you'll be getting the commission every week. This one is paid every week. So let me also show you another way you make money from this platform. So when you participate in referral contests, that is another way you make money from this platform. So now this is contest. I think it will be ending on the 13th. It started March 13th and April 13th. About 3 days from now it will end. So whoever that wins, whoever that has the highest referral, this person has 29, another 29, now another 23. So the highest person will refer within the 1 month of contest will get $300. Second person will get $200, and third person will get $100. So if you have enough network people that can join this platform through your link, you can get $300 from this platform by referring more people and they are active. Of course, what they measure here is participation, people that purchase shares, and what they calculate is who has the highest purchase. You may have more referral, but they are not active, so you will not be seen in this place. So it's only those that are purchasing that the system is recording their performance. So that is how another way you make money from this platform. So there are different ways you make money. Of course, if you come here, you can become regional representative of this company and also get some payment if you qualify to become, these are regional representative of this platform, so you can become one and get some benefits for representing the company. So these are different ways you make money from this platform. So I think that is okay. So how do you come in? So you come here anytime you want to make purchase. Anytime you want to make purchase of shares, so you come here, pick any share of your choice. Now note, these shares are rated A+, A-, and you go down, you see this is A-, A+. So A+ is the shares that are doing very well with appreciation. So you see some of these shares with A+, so they are the best bets you can buy. Also A- are not doing bad, but this is giving you capital appreciation and it's also at the same time giving you dividends. So shares with A+ are shares that are giving you capital appreciation at the same time, dividend at the same time. So you can select any of them and make purchase of such shares. So what you need is just place buy. Note, you must have Bitcoin, because this place, what you can use to buy shares is in Bitcoin. So you must have a Bitcoin wallet. You can create Luno account, or if you don't know how to do that, you contact me. Use the link below and you contact me. I will show you how to create that. I also have other platforms you can use to create your Bitcoin wallet. If you already have, all you need is come here. Let's use this as a demonstration. I may not purchase this share. So this is where you see $3. If you want to add the quantity, you go here. That is how you can see. The more you are adding, the price is changing. So you add as many quantity you want to buy. Now let's use one as a demonstration. So immediately you are through with selecting the quantity you want to buy, you place buy. Now this is what happens here. If you still want to select other shares, you click here. But if you don't want to select other shares, you just continue. You say yes. Now the system will generate specific wallet for you to transfer to be able to purchase these shares. You cannot buy these shares separately, or you can, each time you want to buy shares, the system will generate a specific wallet for you to make payments. So each share you buy has specific wallet, so you cannot use the one you used before to make new purchase. So this is what you do. So immediately you click here, you want to purchase. Now see what the system does. I'm using laptop to do this, so if you are using phone, so it will be also the same thing. It's generating the wallet. So this is the wallet. Copy this link. Immediately you copy this link, copy it, take it to your wallet. Now when you get to your wallet, also add this. This includes the service charge of miners fee. There is service charge here. This is the amount of the share, which is 2.6 plus the service charge, the miners fee, that is also added here. So immediately you copy this, take it to your wallet. I would have loved to show you one in my Luno account, but I will not do that. But I think I've explained it better. Copy this link, go to your Luno, go to your other cryptocurrency Bitcoin platform, copy it, send it, and immediately you have succeeded in doing that, and you have this worth of Bitcoin in your account. You send it. When you come back here, it will confirm that your Bitcoin or your payment has been received. It's automatic. You won't do anything. You won't confirm it. Immediately you do that, you come back to this platform, you see that your money has been received. And the next thing you see that you come here and you see your shares. You see your shares. If you click somewhere here, so you now see your shares. So displayed here, the quantity you paid for, the price you paid for it, and if there is growth. So this one, dividend, you can see the dividend 0.05 weekly. That is what they pay in this share. So if I want to sell also, if you want to sell your shares, all you need is to click here too. If you click here, it will take you where you also sell your shares. So that is all about this. So if you need guidance, if you need to start and start making money while you are home at this time, just use the link in the description below in the box, or call the number 08063883354. With that number you can get me, or also check the description. You will see the phone number, and you contact me or you WhatsApp me. I will direct you on how to start and how to grow and make money here, how to get referrals, and how to succeed in this platform. Thank you very much. I remain your humble partner in progress. Remember, our vision is to help entrepreneurs, online marketers, and small business owners to make 1 million this year. So this is one of the ways you can make money while you are at home, even now and after now. So I'm Walter Okoro. Thank you for watching this video.